Alright, so in this video, we'll be looking at identification of the classes of alkanols. Alright, we're going to look at how to identify the various classes of alkanols. So, if you are given an alkanol, how will you be able to tell the class the alkanol belongs to? So, just a quick one. We have three classes of alkanols based on the number of alkyl groups surrounding the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. So based on that, we have three types of alkanol, three classes of alkanol. We have the primary alkanol. The primary alkanols have just one alkyl group. They have one alkyl group attached to the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. Secondary alkanols have two alkyl groups attached to the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. And the tertiary alkanols have three alkyl groups. They have three alkyl groups attached to the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. So talking about the identification of alkanols, we're simply saying that how do we tell if an alkanol is a primary alkanol, is a secondary alkanol, or is a tertiary alkanol? Alright, so here we have this example. What class of alkanol is propan-2-ol? What class of alkanol is propan-2-ol? So the first thing I'm going to do here is to first of all draw the structure for propan-2-ol. So when you hear the name propan-2-ol, what does that tell you? It tells you that the parent compound here is a propane. Alright, so as a propane we have, and propane will have what? 3 carbon atoms. Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 carbon atoms. Alright, so this is telling you that this is a propane. Then propan-2-ol, propan-2-ol. So this 2-ol is telling you that the hydroxyl group is at position 2, is at carbon 2. Alright, so this is 1, 2. So the hydroxyl group is here. So what I'm going to do is to fill the rest bonds with hydrogen. Alright, so these are the rest bonds because carbon is a tetravalent element. Alright, 4 bonds must surround it. So this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen, 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 and what? Hydrogen. This is your structure for propan-2-ol. Alright, so how many alkyl group are surrounding the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group? So this is the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. Alright, so how many alkyl group are surrounding it? This is an alkyl group. This is another alkyl group. Alright, so we have 2 alkyl group attached to the carbon atom that are attached to this carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. So therefore, this alkanol is an example of a secondary alkanol because it has 2 alkyl groups attached to this carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. This alkyl group, this is a methyl group. Alright, this is methyl, CH3. CH3. Alright, CH3. We have 3 hydrogen here. This is an alkyl group. This is an example of an alkyl group, CH3, which is known as methyl. This is also an alkyl group, CH3. This is a methyl group. Alright, this is methyl. So you can see that we have 2 methyl groups, which are alkyl group, attached to the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group. So what class of alkanol is propan-2-ol? Propan-2-ol is an example of a secondary alkanol. Alright,